Okay, so guys, we are doing page 142 of your student journal. We're going to do 5 through 8. Hear this out. Okay, it says find the value of x. So here, if we look at this, if this angle and this angle is the same, then the length of these two sides should also be the same. So x equals 31. If you look here, this angle matches this side, this angle matches that side, and this angle matches that side. So if you see all of these measures of the sides are the same, so that means the measure of all of those angles should be the same. And if you add this angle and this right here is also 2x and this angle is also 2x, then you should be able to add all of them together. And that should equal 180 degrees because the degrees in a triangle is 180. So I'm combining like terms here. Divide by 6, divide by 6, x equals 30. And if you want to find what the actual angles are, you substitute it in and you get 60 degrees. Okay, this next one says solve for x and y. What I notice here is that all of these sides are the same. So if all of these sides are the same, this is an equilateral triangle. So that means that all of these should be the same measure, and I know the measures in an equilateral triangle will be 60. And if this side right here is 60 and this is a 90-degree angle, then that is 30 right there. So what we need to figure out now is if these two are the same, I can easily find y. So what I would do, I know that there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So what I'm going to say is if this is y, they said they're the same, then this is also y. So what I would do is say that y plus 30 should equal 180 to help me find y. So this is 2y plus 30 equals 180. Draw my line down the middle. Minus 30 minus 30. 2y equals 150, divide by 2, divide by 2, y should equal 75. 75 plus 75 is 150. Okay, so I got y to be equal to 75. So right here, I say that 75. These angles are 75. So now if I know that y is equal to 75, then what I can go and do now to solve for x, then what I can do now is I know that this side is going to be the same as this side because these angles are the same, so that means these sides have to be the same. And I already know that y is 75. So if I say 75 minus 25, that means all of these sides are 50. So if this is 50, then this side over here is 50. So it's okay for us to write x equals 50. Okay, the next problem, it tells me to solve for x and y. Well, here's what I do know. If these two sides are the same, that's an isosceles triangle, so these two angles need to be the same too. I know that there's 180 degrees in a triangle, so if this is x, this one over here is also x. So I'm going to say x plus 40 equals 180. 2x plus 40 equals 180. Minus 40 minus 40. 2x equals 140. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Oops, let me make that a little neater. X equals 70. So we found what the value of x is. So these angles down here are 70. And now we need to find what y is. So since we know that x equals 70 and these two have the same marks, then I can set those equations equal to each other. And I'm going to draw my line down the middle and I'm going to substitute in for x. So I get 2y plus 10 equals 70 minus y minus 10 minus 10. 2y equals 60 minus y plus y to both sides plus y So 3y equals 60, divide by 3, divide by 3, and y equals 20. And we're done with that one. So we found y to be 20 and x to be 70. That's the answer right here. And here's the other one down here. Let me see if that was all. Yep, that was all your homework. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.